Hello everyone, welcome back to TECHFRONTER. Today we're going to be talking about the new upcoming Lenovo Legion 9i, said to be the most powerful laptop Lenovo has ever made. The Lenovo Legion 9i is the latest and greatest gaming laptop from Lenovo. If you are looking for a gaming laptop that's powerful, which can take on any challenge, with the Lenovo Legion 9i, you'll have the power to game at max settings, stream your gameplay, and create content without breaking a sweat. Watch the video till the end to find out about the Legion 9i. The Lenovo Legion 9i is the latest and greatest gaming laptop from Lenovo. It's packed with top-of-the-line hardware, including an Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, and 32GB of RAM. It also has a stunning 16-inch mini LED display with a 165Hz refresh rate. When it comes to its specs, here are some of the key specs of the Lenovo Legion 9i, broken down in a catchy way. When it comes to its processor, the Intel Core i9-13980HX is the most powerful mobile processor on the market. It's perfect for gamers who want to play the latest games at max settings. When it comes to its graphics, it uses the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 as the most powerful mobile graphics card on the market. It can handle even the most demanding games and applications. And its RAM, 32GB of RAM, is plenty for even the most demanding tasks. You'll be able to multitask without a hitch. And storage of its 2TB SSD gives you plenty of space for your games, applications, and files. When it comes to its display, the 16-inch mini LED display is stunning. It has a sharp resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and a fast 165Hz refresh rate. When it comes to its battery life, up to 7 hours of battery life means you can game all day long without having to worry about running out of power. On performance, the Lenovo Legion 9i will be one of the most powerful gaming laptops on the market. It can easily handle even the most demanding games at max settings. It's also a great choice for creative professionals who need a powerful machine for video editing, 3D rendering, and other demanding tasks. On design, the Lenovo Legion 9i is a sleek and stylish gaming laptop. It has a black aluminum chassis with a carbon fiber lid. The laptop is also very thin and light, making it easy to carry around. On display, the Lenovo Legion 9i has a stunning 16-inch mini LED display. The display has a sharp resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and a fast 165Hz refresh rate. The display is also color accurate, making it great for creative professionals. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion 9i is the ultimate gaming laptop. It's powerful, stylish, and has a stunning display. If you're looking for the best gaming laptop on the market, the Lenovo Legion 9i is the one for you. Order your Lenovo Legion 9i when it comes out, hopefully in October, and experience the power of gaming at its finest.